So this is the view from our balcony. We let out our towel outside the balcony to dry. This is how big the underground shopping area is, all the way from Beimenzan. You just follow all the Ys that stretches across Zhenzhou Lu. So it goes all the way to Y1, where it meets at Taipei bus station, and it continues at the R region at Zhongshan Dixia, and it goes all the way passes Zhongshan station and to Shuanglianzan. Stretch is very long. The people doing morning exercises. This is what we ordered for breakfast: 炒米粉、炒面、蛋饼. So this is bacon 蛋饼, and this is just onion 蛋饼. That's it. Hi morning guys. We're here this morning at this coffee shop, which is quite interesting. It is somewhere right around the back of the walk here is about 15 minutes slow walk. Because of the weather, it's been really hot today. It's a really nice place. I've never thought that I could actually transport something like this in Taipei, because it is definitely not very Taiwanese looking. I'm going to enjoy our coffee right now. A lot of swatch tapes. These are such cute succulents. These are what we call air plants. Very nice ideas. They even have like a garden personal kit. You can try to do all this thing DIY at home. So cute. This is such smart storage space, so you just push and it comes out. Yeah. Why can't we do this back home in Singapore? These are freaking cute. This cafe is so unique. Cute. It's like a mini toolbox, and you get to work on your arts and craft with all the tools that's provided for you. A mini hand. So cute. So cute. There's some nice quiet corners here in this garden, which is quite a nice place to just chill. This is just red brick walls after red brick walls, and these are like conservation houses, and all the structures are newly renovated, so it's been converted to exhibition halls and art galleries. So I came into this coffee house, which is on the second floor, so we're here for a cup of coffee again. And, it's a very nice, cozy little corner. If you are not familiar with this area, you would not have noticed this coffee shop. So we're very lucky that we actually decided to come up and take a look. So it's got great view and definitely worth checking. So I really love what they've done to the dry flowers where they hang above the books as decorations. So just now we were at Hua Shan 1914 and this one is Shan 文艺创意区. Sorry, correction, it's Shan 文创园区. So it's the Shan Cultural and Creative Park. They even have guard dogs. So we're just randomly walking around, yeah, and see if we can enter any of the exhibitions for free. So in the middle of this village, there is a garden amongst the city. So right beside this joechantv is where they're building the Tajidan. If you can see, it is right behind here. So I can't really capture that because of the backlight, but you do see a little bit of the curved structure. That is where the Tajidan is going to be. Right beside the joechantv, there is actually Chenping. So we're going to this Elite Spectrum to take a look and probably find our dinner. We just came to this tea house which is called 古典玫瑰园 and these teas are superb. We just tried this and it's really nice. Right opposite there is this little eatery. We're here to have our dinner. So the weather this evening is about 28 degrees Celsius and it's now close to 10:30 p.m. So we're just going to explore the place and just randomly walk around to see how the area around Taipei main station is like, and maybe we can grab some snacks or have a drink. Yay!